it makes the bathroom feel larger, but when you've got all of that glass, it is a pain in your ass. First off, let's steer clear of intricate tile designs with heavy grout usage if you want to keep it low maintenance. This is another area in a bathroom that is high usage, a lot of traffic. Next, we have got something that is pretty common. It kind of applies almost anywhere. Hey everyone, welcome back to the DTC Concepts YouTube channel. I am Dan. I appreciate the support and the growing subscribers. If you are not subscribing, I would love it if you could click the little button and maybe give this video a like. Today we are going to talk about how to keep your bathrooms low maintenance while still looking beautiful. So let's dive right in. First off, let's steer clear of intricate tile designs with heavy grout usage if you want to keep it low maintenance. Now, I'm not telling you not to do it if you don't mind high maintenance, because it can be beautiful, but the more grout that is in a bathroom, the harder it is to keep clean. I know, because my wife tells me all the time that it aggravates her. So when you are thinking about how to redo the bathroom, you want it to look stunning without heavy grout, something we did in our personal home was we bought large porcelain slabs for our shower. We've got from floor to ceiling covered, one big slab. It gets bumped up right next to the other slab as you create the look. None of the veining breaks. It's beautiful, and there are hardly any grout lines in that shower to clean. So something to think about: larger scale tile or doing full slabs in your shower keeps those grout lines minimal and keeps your cleaning easy. Next, avoid frameless shower glass doors. The last few years, we have seen this trend of these really open showers to the rest of the room, and I get it. It lets light in, it makes the bathroom feel larger, but when you've got all of that glass, it is a pain in your ass to keep clean. So something that you can do is create pony walls, shrink the glass down, or just have less glass and have the shower a bit more closed off. You can always put in a vent light combo in the shower that is rated for damp areas, so you won't feel like you're in a dungeon. Just something to think about. While it's beautiful to look at all of that tile when you walk in, if you've got nothing but glass, it is a lot to clean. All right, we've tackled the shower. Let's talk countertops. This is another area in a bathroom that is high usage, a lot of traffic. You want to avoid porous material. It's just going to stain easier. If you've got makeup, if you're like our house and you've got, I don't know, a glass of wine in there before you're getting ready to go out, you don't want rings on the counter. You just want to stick with something like quartz, something like porcelain, just not real marble in the bathroom. It's going to be a lot of upkeep, so keep that in mind. All right, next, we have got something that is pretty common. It kind of applies almost anywhere. Avoid clutter. You know, it's nice to have things on the counter, things you use regularly, maybe a decorative item or two, but still, you don't want to pile your counter with a bunch of stuff. It's just a lot to clean, to dust, to keep track of. So think of creative storage solutions. You know, get a nice vanity with a ton of storage built in. You can put things away, keep things neat and organized. It's just less hassle in the bathroom. Lastly, a way to avoid a high maintenance bathroom is focus on simple lighting that is beautiful but easy to clean. So if you're putting wall sconces in, you've got hanging light, you don't want a bunch of intricate light design. You want something simple you can just wipe down, get the dust off, keep clean. You can still find things that are beautiful, that are simple, and they work. It'll feel timeless. So hopefully this was helpful. I want you to have a low maintenance bathroom if you want a low maintenance bathroom. All right, to recap, we've got the 5 things to avoid a high maintenance bathroom. You've got simple or large scale tile layouts. You've got shrinking down the amount of glass in your shower to keep clean. Countertops that are not porous. not difficult to take care of. Avoid clutter. And lastly, simple but beautiful lighting. So if you enjoyed this, again, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. The support always helps the channel. And if you've got any questions, drop them below. If you're looking for simple light fixtures or maybe certain countertop materials, go ahead and ask and we will answer.